Here I have Motorola Moto G22, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera watermark on this device. So firstly, let's open camera, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and then go to the watermark. And here you can enable timestamp watermark and also device watermark. And now every photo you take will be marked with the watermark like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.